Hello, little friends. Are you ready to have some fun with numbers? Today, I'm going to show you some cool tricks to make adding and subtracting super easy. Let's go on a playful math adventure together. First, let's talk about addition. Addition means putting things together. Imagine you have 2 yummy apples, and a friend gives you 1 more apple. How many apples do you have now? 1, 2, 3. That's right. 2 apples plus 1 apple equals 3 apples. Here's a fun trick. You can use your fingers to help you add. Hold up 2 fingers on one hand. Now add 1 more finger. Count them all. 1, 2, 3. See? It's so easy. Now let's play a little game. Let's try a magic trick with subtraction. Subtraction means taking things away. Imagine you have 5 colorful blocks. If you give 2 blocks to your friend, how many blocks do you have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That's right. 5 blocks minus 2 blocks equals 3 blocks. Here's another trick. You can use your fingers for subtraction too. Hold up 5 fingers. Now fold down 2 fingers. How many fingers are still up? 1, 2, 3. Great job! Remember, math is everywhere. You can count your steps, your crayons. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for joining me on this math adventure. Keep having fun with numbers. Bye-bye, little learners. See you next time.